The Beard Octane Australia stalls have been an absolute hit so far. Woo! And don't worry, calm down. There is still time left for you to go pick up some of your favorite premium quality beard products in person or try them out for the first time if it's something that you've had your eye on. Now is the time to go check it out. And I know it's been a hit because shout out to those of you that have reached out to me, sending me pictures because you're so excited and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I have Beard Octane in the wild. And this is not setting the stage of like FOMO, it is what it is. It's while supplies last. So if this is something that you want to hop on and try in person and meet the team and experience the products in your hand, you want to go and not wait, you guys. Woo! Go check out their beard wash, their beard oil, some of those amazing scents. They're going to make your beard feel good, look good, and dang, smell good, you guys. Your beard will absolutely thank you later. Go give them a shot.